Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our Friday EGM Securities Update. I got Kevin Ganga back in the house. Kevin, it's so good to see you again.
Happy Friday. How are you doing?
No, very well. And yourself, good. You're looking very dapper.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Yes.
Kevin, let's kick off with this central theme we were talking about, which was the trade war.
Yes.
Do you feel that the language and how are you reading it? I'm quite bearish because, you know, you've had that incident in the South China Sea.
The South China Sea, you've seen a lot more military exercises. A couple of ships have been deployed by the US into South China Sea, which is something you've not seen frequently. The tempo is starting to pick up.
Yes, I noticed that as well. I think the risk now of a clash is very, very high. I mean, the Decatur incident was 45 meters apart. I saw yesterday they were flying B-52s. I mean, anything. It's like a hair trigger.
It's a small tinderbox, and I think this is. I mean, we are not talking geopolitics, but this always would feed into what you'd call a risk-off theme into the markets, and we've seen that as well across all the majors. Cable is down.
This is down quite dramatically.
This is down quite dramatically. At the beginning of the month, we were as low as 1.29. We saw a big pushback up. That was, of course, on Brexit hopes. We've seen a major pullback. The yellow line is your 200-day moving average.
We're below it.
We are below the 200-day moving average, which obviously talks about a bearish trend. I think there's a very critical resistance level here that I just thought I put on the line graph there. It's easy that you could see that, and you could see a correction. This is a very critical resistance. I think 1.30.
You think if we break here,
if we break here, the next resistance will be 129.36.
If I put a gun to your head, you'd be short or you'd be long?
Long term, I'd be short cable. Purely because I think it's a risk-off play.